Good. And again, one more time. Despite of needing your 1, 2, 3, 4.
With Henry Hunt we'll go, good boys, with Henry Hunt we'll go. We'll mount the cap of liberty in spite of needing Joe.
Good, thank you.
So it kind of goes here, 7, 8. Very nice. Then what happens is I step forward and it's like someone's grabbed my arm. So I go, so my arm gets lifted. Be really careful no one's next to you. Make sure you've got space. You can go, in fact, let's have a go underneath and back rather than around. So it goes, so it's like somebody's grabbed your arm. Very nice. Let's just have a look at that. So
Is that facing forward?
it goes, it's facing down.
Scintillating. Stand by. And go. I'm not like those.
This is brilliant! What? This is brilliant! Everyone's wobbling! What? I love
Okay, and carry on. So you've got, I will start you. So you've got 2 days and 1 hour. But you only have 1 day and 1 hour. Right, step back, please do it again. Thank you. I just have one. Is there any logic to who does it when?
Who does what one?
Who does these 2 parts when?
It's all in that breakdown.
I know, but are the parents always the same or are they different? Could I have one of each? So the 2 of you, just so I can see it as it is going to be. So 2 of you sit out just for a second and you can swap over. So I just got one of each part, yeah? Right. Is that right? Does that make sense?
Yeah, they're not always.
No, it doesn't matter, but just right now I've got one of each and then we'll deal with it. And then every so often you can have little breaks and swap over. Those of you can do it, you can do your own thing. Right. Okay. So same thing, we're going to establish the dance floor. We're going to have lots of music, amazing things are going to happen. You're off outside, so I think at the beginning of this. I think so.
I'll get back if I can. I've got plenty of time. Slide.
Anyone talking about that? If anyone wants to say something, go first person, go by some Thank you. Close up the ring.
You might as well kick in there, so that you get kicked in the small of the back.
Step it out.
Which is quite painful. And all you're doing is literally, you're just leaving your foot there. You seem hopelessly outnumbered. Everybody says you must be an idiot to have a go. As soon as this happens, no, it feels like this.
No force at all.
Yeah? Would you just like to have a little bit of like this? There you are. That's a thing you see something.
Alright, I'll go tell them. Prepare to trot! March! Trot! March! Don't be scared, but stand firm. Let's give our friends of the law 3 cheers. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Why are you cheering them? Prepare to charge!
All time, lads! All time, over the bastards through! Right! We move together, we stay together! Come on! Here we go! March! Up!
For God's sake, mercy!
Yeah.
You've got the shield there. You can see exactly where you can put the blade on like that, and then turn. So you know that you might feel a little uncomfortable with because it might hurt, but you can do that.
Flatten to it.
off. As soon as it's on, pull it off.
And one another do that. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Blessing of one mighty mother, host of her and one another.
Do that whole phrase together. Shh. So quiet, please. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Men of England, heirs of glory, heroes of one Britain's story. Blessing of one mighty mother, host of her and one another.
Good. The first two lines and the next line is the same as the first two lines of the previous stanza. Okay, just those two. 2, 3, 4.
As the lions after slumber, in the vanquished will number.
Shake it. Shake your chest to earth like new. With the red food, put up the world now. Shake your chains. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Shake your chains to earth like dew, with your sleep has fallen on you.
And again, shake your chains to earth like new, which in sleep has fallen on you. 2, 3, 4.
Shake your chains to earth like dew, with your sleep has fallen on you.
Very good. Let's do the whole thing. 2, 3, 4.
Men of England, heirs of glory, heroes of unwritten story. Blessings of one mighty mother, hopes of her and one another. Rise like lions after slumber, in a vanquished will number. Shake your chains to earth like dew, which your sleep had fallen on you.
Very good. Excellent. Good. Ladies, are you